think you're ready? I just need you to. You came here to sit a party. Tell me what's the deal? Don't get up and shake your body. Come on, take me there. Nobody is like you. Only you can lose your girl. Nobody is like you. Only you can lose your girl. We're gonna have a good time. I need to go get it tonight. Baby, I'm making it groove. Show me what you do. I'm making it move. Baby, I'm making it groove. Show me what you do. I'm making it move. Baby, don't stop the baby. Don't stop till you get it up. Don't stop the baby. Don't stop till you get it up. Don't stop the baby. Don't stop till you get it up. Don't stop the baby. Don't stop till you get it up. I see you against the wall, boy. What you waiting for? I want you to take control now. I get up on the floor. I come on, everybody is like you. Only you can lose your girl. Nobody is more like you. Only you can lose your girl, baby. We're gonna have a good time. I need you gon' get it tonight. Baby, I'm making it groove. Show me what you do. I'm making it groove. Baby, I'm making it groove. Show me what you do. I'm making it groove. Baby, it's getting hot in here. Just how I like. We gon' dance it up until we see the light. If you feel like I feel like
If you just joined us, you're right there, because it's from Volume 1. Who's going to make it through to the last part of our semi-finals? Is it going to be Boyun on my left or Lady Bird on my right? Bro, I sayang your head a bit pain. Alright, judges, you ready? Your decision is 3, 2, 1.